The animals that live on a farm all make special sounds. On the farm there is a horse that goes neigh, neigh, and gallops around. Horses are fun to ride. This is a cow that goes moo and makes the milk for children to drink. Here is the piggy. He goes oink, oink. He loves to take mud baths. This is the sheep. It has a woolly coat and goes baa, baa. Sheep give us the wool we need. Here is the duck that goes quack, quack. Ducks waddle and swim in ponds. This is the chicken. She lays the eggs for children to eat. She goes cluck, cluck. Here is the goat. The goat makes milk and cheese and goes bleh, bleh.